Hello everyone, welcome to another card opening here on Simon's Card Hut. My name is Simon and today we're going to be opening a box of Yu-Gi-Oh! Maze of the Master. So without further ado, let's see what we get. The excitement. It's unbearable. We have a Performage Fire Dancer, which is not very exciting. Moving on to the next one. We have a Trickster Noble Angel, which is also not very exciting. On to the next one. With a Union controller for our Ultra Rare here. On to the next one. With a Trickster hoodie. And of course, as always, I have started opening everything from the right side first. And we have a Performage Shadow Maker here. On to the next one. With an Ocean of Regeneration. And in the next one we have a Trickster Colchica. On to the next one. With a Clear Vicious Knight. On to the next one. With an Anubis, the Last Judge. Lovely. But there's actually not a lot of value in this set. How sad. But that's fine. We have a Divine Serpent, Apophis. And only 2 packs left on the right side. One of which contains a Sword Soul of Moye. And now, our last one for the right side. Which means after this we are 12 packs down and have 12 packs more to go. And we get another Performage Fire Dancer. And now we move to the left side. Where we get an X-Cross Cannon. And on to the next one we move. With a Clear Wall. Which brings us to the next pack, where we get a Singularity Fiend. Secret Rare. And on to the next one. where we have a Perform Mage, Trapeze, Witch, moving on. We have an Allure Palace. And on to the next one. With another Allure Palace. And on to the next one. We go with an Earthbound Immortal Red Nova. Love the foiling on that one. And on to the next one. With a Merciless Scorpion of Circuit. And on to the next one we go. With a secret rare, Treasures of the Kings. And then we have 3 packs left to go in total. Let's see what we get. Excitement. I see Heralds. And I see a Divine Serpent Apophis. Second to last pack. We get a Clear Vicious Knight yet again. And we're down to the last pack of this box. There's 3 more. Hooray. Let's see what we get. And our last super rare is a Clear Vicious Knight. And that's fine. So, this has been another opening here on the channel. If you liked what you saw, please consider leaving a like and subscribing. Thank you for watching, and I shall be seeing you at the next one.